Hey YouTube, today I have these tomato towers, if you want to say. Um, they're plastic, which is a good thing, and you can snap them together. You can actually do a big square tower, or you can do a triangle tower, however you want to do it. So I'm going to see how big a square tower does, and then otherwise I might do a triangle one. I used to use metal towers, and I feel that with the watering or with rain, something gets on the tomatoes, and I don't know. I just feel like it's bleaching into the, or leaching, I should say, leaching into the tomato plant. I did have several years ago wood ones, but those all rotted out and are in the burn pile. So now I'm using these plastic ones. I got them off of Amazon, not sponsored. Bought them with my own money, and we'll take a look. As I'm walking back by the garden, you guys can click that subscribe button, hit the like button, and help this channel out. All right, let's get back by the garden and see how we can put these together. No tools either. Snap together. Okay, I got everything all unpacked, including the connectors. Let's put these together. So what you do is you just take a stake, push it in, take another one. It doesn't matter because they're all got pointy ends. Push it in, another one, push it in. So already we're about 3 feet high, so to speak. I think that would be high enough. So let's do some more. Another one, another one, another one. Nice. Need no tools for this. So I got 2 of them together. Another one. Okay, I did a square one, and then I did a triangle one. I actually like the triangle better. It's, it'll keep the plant in the middle, and then the leaves can hang out. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is transform this one into a triangle. I just like that a lot better. All right, it's all done. I made 8 of them, triangles. You just get enough post clips, and then you can get some twist ties to tie up like your branches. But I think what I'm going to do is string some string in here to kind of keep them up as I go. I thought I would be able to put some in here by the cherry tomatoes, but these things are too big between to get in here. So I think I'm just going to try to stake them up, or maybe they'll just follow along with the webbing in here. So yeah, it turned out pretty good, and it's easy. Clip, 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 and yeah, so pretty soon we'll have lots of tomatoes. All next week it's going to get hot and humid. They're talking heat index about 107. So cherry tomatoes, and then my pea pods are growing pretty good. So all right, again, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.